Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you some secrets that many big companies have been hiding from you, more especially how they gum their cartons, like this kind of carton now. This is a carton of biscuits. Some companies avoid making use of sellotape in their companies because of maybe the high cost of sellotape. They use cheap gum that you can easily make, and this gum is something that it doesn't take time. Within 15 minutes to 20 minutes is already made. Then you use it and gum your carton. Very fast and effective. So that is what I'll be showing you today in this channel. So if it's your first time of joining me in this channel, you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel now, as we'll be showing you how you can produce different kind of product and how to package them, because what we are teaching is most especially is how to package our product and the easier way that we can package it without spending much money in packaging product. So stay tuned to this channel as we proceed to the full video. So now let's start. So what we have here is, this is water here. I'm using, I don't know, the camera is very far from me, but you can see it very well. I'm using 400 ml of water. So this is my 400 ml of water, and this is my mixing bowl. I have this is my spatula that I'll be using my stirring stick. Then this is brush. So what we'll be using for this production is starch. This is starch. Most of us know it very well. This is Renew starch. So let me show you very well. This is Renew starch, as you can see it. So Renew starch is what we'll be using, and this Renew starch here is about, the net weight is 17 grams. Imagine a sachet of starch is sold for 15 naira, and this sachet of starch now, when you make it, you use it to seal or package over 100 or even 500 cartons before you can say, okay, let me mix under starch. So if you are a manufacturer and you are looking for means to package your carton without spending much on sellotape, I recommend this Renew starch, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. So now I have my mixing bowl already. Then what I will do is I will add my water here. This water here is 400 ml of water, and I'm using 17 grams of Renew starch, which is sold at the rate of 15 naira only. And starch is not only meant for clothes alone. You can use it to package your carton, so it's also gum. Now what I'll do is I'll add it to this very water and stir immediately. So as I add, so you add it little by little, you stir it. The starch I'll be able to mix very well. Now what you do is you allow it for some minutes, maybe like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's see our starch and see if it's now okay. But remember, now for now it's no more starch, it's now gum. So let's see our gum and see how it is. So now our liquid gum is now ready to be used. So this is our liquid gum. Is very good to go. So within 15 minutes, you have make your homemade gum that you can use to package your carton instead of using sellotape. So now let's test our gum and see how good it is. Okay, this carton here, there's no good inside. It will be somehow difficult to, but what I will do is I will tear part of this carton. What we are doing is an experiment. So this is part of it. Now let's say this is your gum. After packaging it, you add, just use your brush. Now if you are making this gum, you need brush. So this is it. Let's see. This is it. What we are doing is testing. So let's test our gum. Now after, let's assume you are making it, you now place it on the floor. If you are trying to steal your carton, you can place a flat plank on it. Now as it is now, we are going to leave it for like 15 minutes, yes 20 minutes, and you'll see the gum meat so will be well gummed. If you watch to this extent, subscribe to this channel and also click the notification button as we're posting more videos on how to make a different kind of cosmetics products, soaps and other cleaning agents that we can use at home that may turn it to a big business that you can be doing. And the very good part of this is something you can be doing at home and you supply to different companies or other household that will need your product. Thank you and God bless you.